Hi guys, I'm TA Buplay, your trading buddy. So welcome to our latest episode of our Buplay daily review. And yesterday I went to the vaccination for booster dose. So we don't see any new videos yesterday. So yeah, after some rest and some tiredness, yeah, after the vaccination. So today I'm back. All right. So today I'm back bringing you back to the Buplay daily review. All right. So for those who are watching us for the first time, uh, in our Buplay daily review, we'll be focusing on the chart technical analysis. Yeah, the TA part because we believe the chart is the best insider. Yeah, if you know how to read a chart, then the chart will be able to tell you a lot of hidden story. All right. So if you haven't watched our previous analysis, yeah, on the freight and some a few more transport and logistic counters, feel free to click into our channel TA Play. You have to watch the previous episodes, and of course, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, yeah, click the subscribe button right now so that you won't miss our next video on any stock analysis. All right. Okay. So the stock for today that I'm going to bring to you is INARI, Emetron, and also RCECAP. Yeah, our finance counter. So before that, let me show you the chart for the last night. Yeah, the I mean the index of the US market last night. So it's a pretty anxious night, yeah, for the US because I did monitor last night and I see that the chart was actually open in red and also break the support, yeah, as the first and second hour of the trading. But then you can see that the momentum in the US market is actually quite bullish and strong, yeah, despite its break the support on the starting, yeah, on the starting of the market. But then in the closing, it's still able to close at almost the highest point. Yeah, like for Dow Jones Index, you can see over here the closing is at the point of 35,900, which is a lot higher than yesterday closing, which is just around 35,500. Okay, so you see the candlestick for yesterday. It also means a situation where it tested the support successfully. Yeah, you can see that before the day before 14th of December, it actually closed right on the support. Yeah, and then the next day it break the support and then it closed high, which means in this situation we record it as the support is tested. So you can see that this red line, yeah, 35,500, the support of at this level is considered quite solid for now. All right, and then next thing you can monitor is you can see the line of moving average. Yeah, the MA has actually show the condition of the golden cross. Yeah, so which means that this washing, yeah, this round of washing is almost completely successfully completed. Then so it's now back to the bullish momentum. So the next you can monitor is as long as the index is supported above the line and above the moving average, then it will have a very good potential to actually challenge the previous high. All right. Okay, so this is for Dow Jones Index, and next we can look at a NASDAQ index as well. Yep, the NASDAQ. All right. So the Nasdaq, yeah. So unexpectedly bullish, I would say, yeah, because the similar view with the Dow Jones Index, yeah, because yesterday when I monitor, I see that I thought it would break the support this round, yeah, but who knows? It's just rebound strongly. Okay, I believe is actually highly related with the announcement of Fed last night. Yeah, but of course it's released not in the midnight, so I haven't read the announcement. If there's any interesting, maybe I can share with you in the next video. Yeah, so I believe it's highly related to the announcement, so that you can see the market is react bullish to the any decisions or announcement made by the Fed. All right. Okay, so let's not talk too much on the US part. Yeah, we just focus back on our Malaysian market. Okay, so we look at our KLCI. Okay, our KLCI last yesterday. Yesterday, I would say that it pretty to the whole day. Yeah, the whole day is actually at the lower positions. Yeah, it's below 1480 if not mistaken. Then in the last minute, it's still able to close a slightly higher, but it still break the support. Yeah, it still break the support that I said previously, which is 1483. So let's see if today the US market able to brings our market up. All right. because due to the strong rebound from the US market, I hope that our KLCI will be able to back to close above 1483. Then I would say this round of support at 1483 is still solid and can be used as a reference for the support. All right, because you can see the whole index of our KLCI is now on a downtrend momentum. Yeah, so whether at this round it might form a double bottom, as you can see. One, let me draw for you. Yeah, the rest of this easier for you to see. All right, so this is the first bottom. Okay, and then you look at here, if able to test it successfully, maybe it can form a second bottom. So if this making a small double bottom over here, then maybe, yeah, maybe at the level of 1483 will be a bottom part for our index. And if can support it well for some times, then maybe it will start to rebound from here. All right, so if you want to rebound, of course the important resistance will be 1500. Yeah, our psychological resistance. So in order for the whole momentum of our Malaysian market to turn bullish, it will first need to break the resistance of 1500 first. All right, then only you can see some stronger momentum that is actually working in our market. Okay, so yeah, this is my review on our KLCI index for the last 2 days. All right, so next we move into our first counter for today. Our first counter for today is INARI Amatron. All right, okay, our leading company in the technology sector. Okay, so yeah, let me share with you a news that recent big news of INARI, yeah, which is this news. You can see that Westport Holdings has been removed from the our Bursa Malaysia KLCI index, and then you can see on this part, for INARI Amatron, yeah, FTSE Russell and Bursa Malaysia, so there will be addition, yeah, it will be an addition to the FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI index. Okay, so you can see now INARI Amatron is now in our KLCI index. So so the movement of KLCI will also affect our index movement. All right, so of course we come back to the chart of INARI Amatron, but you can see that previously it's a long and steady uptrend, right? Since the month of July, you can see from the price of 3 ringgit and 18 cents all the way up to the high of 4 ringgit and 30 cents, and then we met the top and then it come back down with a correction. Okay, so with the correction you can see that so far the share price is still supported above the MA50. Yeah, it's still supported above the MA50, but then there's one thing that you need to be cautious. You need to be cautious because the line of moving average has actually shown some bearish signal. Yeah, show some bearish signal, which means you can see the bullish momentum has weakened, has slowed down, and the short-term moving average has death crossed to the mid-term moving average line. So if you monitor for the next few days, if the share price unable to sustain above the MA50, I will expect a bigger correction for INARI Amatron. All right, because if it unable to support it on the MA50, then this part will be the top for recent rally. Okay, for this rally, so it will have a bigger corrections and it will need to find next support. Okay, because you can see the price, I drew a green line over here, which is 4 ringgit and 9 cents. Yeah, around 4 ringgit and 9 cents, or 4 ringgit 10 cents, I would say. Yeah, 4 ringgit and 10 cents. So this line, this green line was actually an important support for INARI Amatron, right? So on this day, it's at straight away break the support and unable to cover back. So I'm assume that even that the share price can support it on the MA50, it might need some time to do some consolidation over here before it can back to the to challenge to test the previous resistance. Okay, all right. So yeah, for those who are having holdings in this counter, you might have already a good paper profit if you bought from the low over here. Yeah, you might have a good paper profit. So if the share price breaks MA50, you might need to consider, if for me personally, I would actually consider to take partial profit at least. Yeah, because if they break the support of MA50, I have no idea how low it will go. Yeah, I have no idea which level it will tend to find the next support. All right. Okay, so this is for Inari Ematron. Okay, so uh let's look at the next counter, yeah, which is RCECAP. All right, RCECAP, our finance counter. Okay, unfortunately, you can see that the chart of RCECAP was actually quite similar with the chart of Inari Ematron. Yeah, still similar on the part that a steady and long uptrend since the month of August, yeah, from the price of 2 ringgit and 80 cents to the height of almost 4 ringgit, yeah, 2 ringgit and 98 cents. So after this rally, you can see some corrections over here, yeah, and yeah, it's just similar as the chart of Inari, yeah, because the moving average has also shown some bearish signal over here, because you can see the death cross over here, yeah. And the second things that looks similar is the share price was actually supported on the line of MF50 as well. Yeah, but it looks a bit nicer than Inari Ematron, because Inari previously on last week it has break the support of MF50, but this still supported nicely on MF50. All right, but then in overall, I would say the bullish momentum, yeah, the bullish momentum has already slowed down. Okay, has already slowed down. So for those who are having holdings, if me I'm having holdings, um same as Inari, I will monitor the support of MA50. If break the MA50, then I will at least take partial profits. Yeah, so if it's supported above the MA50, you need to wait for the moving average line to actually make a golden cross, or at least you wait for the share price to move above and sustain above the moving average. Then only it will have the chance to actually back to the bullish trend, or to challenge the previous high at around price of 3 ringgit 90 cents. All right, so for those who are not having any holdings in this counter and you're looking good on this company, for me, I don't suggest to actually buy in a rush. Yeah, you can wait for the battle signal, whether the share price is supported on MA50 or it can break the resistance of the moving average. All right, because if you're buying now, then the share price is going to break the support of MA50, then your holdings won't be any profit at all. Yeah, so yeah, so that's my review on this kind of counter. And of course, you can look at our finance index. Yeah, our finance index of KLCI is actually on a downtrend as well. Yeah, on here you can see a big gap over here. Yeah, so it's a big gap. I draw a line over here. So over here, a big gap over here going down, and then trying to do a rebound, but then being blocked by the moving average for the first time, and here for the second time. So it's a typical downtrend. Downtrend movement. Yeah, it's a typical downtrend movement. So yeah, so we relate back to the counter of RCECAP. So you need to be aware that there is quite some possibilities. Yeah, there's quite some possibilities for it to actually break the support of MF50, because the finance sector index is actually on a downtrend right now. All right, so that will be the factor that you need to consider if you want to trade or invest in RCE Capital. All right. Okay, so let me do a brief summary for today's video. Yeah, firstly, I have share with you my views on the current bullish rebound of the US market. Then I relate it to our KLCI index, which is just break support just last 2 days and trying to make a comeback. All right, and then I talk about two counters for today, which is Inari and also RCECAP. Yeah, quite a similar chart. Yeah, so for those who are quite confused on what I'm saying right just now, you can just drag back to the part that you're confused. And if you still have any questions, you feel free to comment in the comment box and I will answer you there. All right, so I hope that you learned something from this video, especially the part of technical analysis and also the chart reading. Yeah, so if you have any other any other counters that you want us to do analysis, please feel free to comment in below this video. Yeah, and if you have any chances, I will do in the next video for you. All right, so lastly, if you like our content, yeah, don't forget to hit the like and share button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our next potential stock analysis in this channel. All right, so thank you for watching. and TA Bootplay, your trading buddy. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.